Good morning students. Myself Jagriti Jain from Sri Shankaracharya Vidyalaya Hudko Bhilai and I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 6, multiplication. So now let's start. Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 6, that is multiplication. Let's understand the concept of multiplication with the help of this little fish. There are 4 fish pots. There are 3 fish in each pot. To get the total number of fish, we add the number of fish in all the 4 pots. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. That means there are 12 fishes in all. Here we repeatedly added 3 4 times. So multiplication is called a repeated addition because the same number repeated over and over and over. So multiplication is called repeated addition. Now we can do this multiplication operation in an easy way. Let's see how. There are 4 pots, 4 fish pots. Now there are 3 fish in each fish pot. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. That means there are 12 fish in all. Let's use the multiplication symbol to write the statement. This is called the multiplication symbol multiply. Now, it can be read as 4 into 3 is equal to 12 or 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 or 4 times 3 is 12 or 4 3s are 12. Now look at one more example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birdhouse here and each birdhouse has 3 birds. So, how many birds in all? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We will add 3 birds 5 times. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. Using multiplication sign, we write it 5 times 3. We can say this times. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So, there are 15 birds in all. Now, let's look the ways to write the multiplication. 5 into 3, 15. This is called horizontal multiplication. If we write this like in a line, this is called horizontal multiplication. And if we write one below the another, this is called vertical multiplication. Now some terms used in multiplication. Multiplicand. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. Now here 5 is multiplicand. हम 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. जिस नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेंड. एंड द नंबर बाय विच अनदर नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लायर. यानी जिस नंबर से, बाय मीन्स से, जिस नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसे हम मल्टीप्लायर कहते हैं. एंड द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड by multiplying two numbers is called product or the result of multiplication is called the product. जो आंसर हमको मिलता है मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद that is called multiplicand. Now there are some properties of multiplication. Now first property is order property. If we change the order of the numbers then product remains the same. That means अगर हम मल्टीप्लिकेंड और मल्टीप्लायर का ऑर्डर चेंज कर दें तो आंसर हमेशा सेम रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 into 3 is equal to 15 और 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are is also 15. Same 9 into 7, 9 7s are 63. If we interchange the order of the number, 9 into 7 here and 7 into 9 is also 63. That means answer will be same. Now second is multiplicative property of 1. Product of any number and 1 is the number itself. हमेशा 1 से मल्टीप्लाई यदि हम किसी भी नंबर को करते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट मीन्स आंसर हमेशा नंबर इटसेल्फ यानी सेम नंबर ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 18 into 1, 18 ones are 18. 36 into 1, 36 ones are 36. So product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Now third, multiplicative property of 0. The product of any number and 0 is always 0. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट मीन्स आंसर हमेशा 0 आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 45 into 0, 45 zeros are 0. 98 into 0, 98 zeros are 0. That means the product of any number and 0 is always 0. Now remember one more thing related to multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. To multiply a given number by 10, 100 or 1000, we put 1, 2 or 3 zeros respectively to the right of the given number and we get the product. That means अगर हम किसी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो only we have to put 1 0 after the number. Suppose 95 into 10. After 95 we have to put only 1 0. 432 into 100. There are 2 zeros in 100. That means we have to put 2 zeros after the number 432. So the product will be 43,200. If we multiply a number by 1000, how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So we have to put 3 zeros after the number 163. 163 and 3 zeros. That means 1,63,000. Now let's multiply or find the product. We need to multiply these two numbers. 234 into 5. This is the symbol of multiply. We can say this into. That means 5 times 234. Now we are multiplying a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number. That is 5. But we know the table of 5 only till 5 tens are 50. I don't know the table of 5 till 234. So how do I multiply this number? But still we can multiply it using the table of 5. How? Now here 234 into 5. Now this is the ones place. This is the tens place. And this is the hundreds place. First I multiply the digit at the ones place, that is 4. Now 5 fours are 20. So I need to write the answer of 5 fours are in the ones place. But I know that the ones place can have only one digit. Now 20 means 1 at the ones place and 2 at the tens place. So 0 ones will become in the ones place because I have 0 ones. So it will come in the ones place. And I have 2 tens. So 2 tens will be carried over at the tens place. Now what do? I multiply 5 by 3. 5 threes are 15. But I also have 2 tens here. So I will add this with 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. Now I will multiply 5 by 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 carried over here. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So the product of these two number 234 multiplied by 5 is 1170. Now here we have a question 86 into 13. Now here we will multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So I write 86 first. Now into 13. So the ones digit, that is 3, will be written below the ones digit and the tens digit 1 will be written below the tens digit, and I need to multiply these two. So first step is to multiply by the ones digit. So right now I need to forget about this 1, which is tens digit. Now the ones digit is 3 here. So starting from the right, I need to multiply by 3. Now 3 6 are 18. Now 3 6 are 18 and 18 have 2 digits. Now we will write ones digit here. Ones digit is 8. 8 is written here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. Now 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Now I need to multiply by the tens digit. Now when I multiply by the tens digit, that is 1, or we can say 10 because this is at the tens place. So now when we multiply a number by 10, I can first write the 0 at the ones place. Okay, then we will multiply 1 by 6. 1 6 are 6 and 1 8s are 8. So get the final answer. I need to add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 will be carried over. 1 will be written here and 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. So 1 plus 2 plus 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So the product of 86 into 13 is 1118. Now let's solve one more example. 289 into 27. So first of all, we will arrange this number. First we write 289. Then we will write this number one below the other number and put the symbol of multiplication. Now we will multiply by 7 first. Okay. Now 7 9s are 63. 6 at the tens place and 3 at the ones place. So ones place will be written here and tens place will be carried over at the tens place. So 3 will be here and 6 will be carried over at the tens place. Now 7 8s are 56. 56 and 6 is equal to 62. So 2 will be here and 6 will be carried over at the hundreds place. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 and 6, 20. Now we will multiply these number by 2. So first of all, we have to put 1 0 at the ones place or cross at the ones place. Now 2 9s are 18. 8 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. Now 2 8s are 16. 16 and 1, 17. So 7 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 and 1, 5. Now, to get the final answer, we have to add all these two numbers. So, we will add 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carried over here. Now, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 8, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So, the product of 289 into 27 is 7,803. Hope you understand this multiplication concept very well. Thank you.